Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 66 reg Jaguar XF R Sport diesel. Now this is a 2 litre 180 brake horsepower automatic car, finished in Corris Grey Metallic and sitting on the optional upgrade alloy wheel. They're 19-inch wheels and they're finished in the gloss black finish. As I say, the paint is called Corris Grey, arguably one of the best colours that you can buy any Jaguar product in. Shows the lines off wonderfully well. The R Sport is the sport derived version, so we've got the more sculpted and aggressive front bumper. We've then got the power vents in the wings. Looking down the side of the vehicle, it's absolutely gorgeous. The paintwork just pings off the panels there, free from any trolley dent or parking knock. All the wheels are in wonderful order. Now looking through the wheel, it does look like it's had recent discs and pads on the front and also on the rear. Coming round to the rear, you've got the chrome detailing on the Jaguar badge and the satin silver number plate plinth. The boots on these cars are very, very big. As you can see there, you'll fit anything and everything in there. One of the class leading size boots. Opening up the boot floor, we've then got the tyre inflation device, and everything that was provided by Jaguar when it was new is also still available today. Parking sensors on the front and on the rear, and some very nice kit inside. Some good extras on this. We've got heated front windscreen, we've got lane change and driver warning. Look at the shine on that paintwork again as we go down the driver's side. That mirrors the passenger side and again is free from really any parking dent whatsoever. Tyres are all great on it. I've got 2 keys in my pocket. As I open the driver's door, we're welcomed by this lovely ebony black leather which has a white contrast stitch. The door card, then the contrast stitch runs down the door, and then we get the silver satin detail and gloss black finish round the doors. Aluminium pedals and also kick plates as we come into the car are designed. The seats in wonderful order. Base is all very, very nicely kept, and then the bolsters as well have got minimal wear. But the leather seats, as you can see there, what a lovely cabin that vehicle has. Jaguar is a beautiful product. The contrast stitch then follows through on top of the dash and all the way across with the satin aluminium detail and then the gloss black finish coming throughout. We've got a mileage of 58,344 as I start the car up. Fully loaded automatic headlamps, automatic wipers, paddle shift, cruise control, speed limiter, digital climate control, air conditioning, factory option of a heated front windscreen, media centre, so we do have the media player, DAB radio. I'll turn it on there and then you can choose your source depending whichever. Bluetooth streaming as well. We've got parking sensors front and rear, satellite navigation, touch the screen, we light her up. Reverse gear, then you get the parking aid that appears on the screen as well. I'll just turn the really hot air conditioning off. What a beautiful vehicle. Press it in the corner, it switches off. Press it, it switches back on again. Press the home menu, everything goes back. The black detailing in the centre of the dash and the centre console is in wonderful order throughout. Minimal marks, a real testament to the last keeper's care. I don't smoke and I can tell this car's not been smoked in. The driver's seat and the passenger seats are all wonderful. The carpets are perfect. Look at them. Our detailers put the fancy stripes on. Very, very nice as well. But a wonderful, wonderful car. In the rear of these, there are acres of space. Limousine quality, really. Again, the detail inside follows through into the rear with the piano black and aluminium detail, and you still get the contrast white stitch as well on those seats. Really, really, really good quality Jaguar product. We sell loads of these Jaguar XFs. A car that size that can do over 50 miles to the gallon is a yes from me. Wonderful throughout. If you have a look on our website, I've detailed all the service history on the car. It's got great service history. We'll go through our workshop and be presented to the highest of standards. We'll remove the wheels, wash them inside out, detail the calipers, the discs. But this is a gorgeous, gorgeous vehicle. One of the first on a 66 plate of the new model. But but what a motor car. So if you'd like to reserve it here in Wigan, give us a call. I'll take a £250 fully refundable deposit. That will then prepare the car so that you only need to visit us once, at which point then you can check it over, have a test drive, be completely happy with it. Finance it, bank payment, very simple. All our cars are fully guaranteed also. Have a look on our Facebook page, have a look on our reviews. You'll see we're a 5-star dealer. But everything that was available with the car, so it's got 2 keys, it's got the book pack, everything that was there when it was new is available today, which is like always what we want. So if you'd like any information, I'm Graham, we've got Dominic and Lee. We'll be happy to help in any way. But as for now, thanks for watching the video and I look forward to your inquiry.